Hey guys, Max Van here over at STG, and today we're going over the all-new RS Taichi Windstop Softshell Jogger pants. So first of all, let's talk about the price on these pants. The price on these pants is $199.95 retail. Sizing, I am 6 foot tall, 160 pounds with a 28-inch waist, and I am wearing a size large in Japanese. So for protection, you have really nice protection in the knees, CE level 1 protection armor, which is always super nice to have. And then the hip, Velcroed on the inside, there's just some average foam armor. You can upgrade to CE if you like. And honestly, for these pants, I suggest riding. These would be really good when it's kind of early fall, early spring, or later fall, I'd say, and then early spring. When there's a lot of wind, this will deflect that perfectly and keep you warm while riding, which is always nice. So now we'll head into the breakdown on these pants. So in the knees, you're going to have, again, the CE level 1 protection. Go right here. This pocket's formed with Velcro. That's how they open up. And then for protection on the hips, you have these foam pads. Basically, there's just a piece of Velcro on the inside all the way to the outside. And you basically just slap that bad boy on there and it slides right in without an issue. So now we're going to head to, I'll say, the top area. You do have an adjustable strap around for people with skinnier waists like me, which is really nice. On the side, have a pocket, zip up, which is also, really nice to have. You have a pocket, again, deep enough for a bigger phone and a few other things, thicker wallet on both sides. Down at the bottom, you have an adjustability, almost like a cuff, more of a jogger style, to kind of tighten things up and make everything more compact, fit a little bit tighter, no baggage anywhere. And then you come around to the back side of the pants. You have another zip-up pocket. You can just maybe even, again, put a wallet in there, something small, some sort of keys just to have, and you won't lose them. And with these pants, like again I was saying, these would be perfect for later fall or any time in the fall, probably around 40, 50 degree weather when the rain's out and a little bit colder with a lot of wind. Without a doubt, these are the pants for you.